Welcome, today in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add a widget. For example, I'll go with a new one to show you how you can do that to have a little bit more space. And now just you should slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, or just to hold one from your device screens. I'll go here to this new screen, and now just click here to the widgets icon, and you can see here now all of the available widgets that you can add to your device screen. And now, for example, we can add the calendar, for example the schedule. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it to the position where you want to add it. For example here, if you want, you can change the size of the widget. Just hold it for a while, and after that just make it bigger or smaller. As can you see, that's really simple. And if you want to move this widget here on the screen, just hold it and drag, for example here. Also we can move the widgets between the screens, and if you want we can just create a new screen with a widget. That's not a problem. And just to remove it, hold it for a while and drag it here to the right upper corner to remove icon, and by this way you can just remove it successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.